Hey, the house. Beautiful day today. Nice and sunny. Here doing a bit of projects at the house. Got some lovely fermenting pea there. It's going to be for my woad that I'm actually creating. I've come over here. I actually harvested my woad plants today. So the woad plants are here. Can you see? There they are. And then I've actually started to, what's my rocket going to seed over here? Trying to keep in a lot more flowering plants and only actually pulling out weeds as I need a bed to put in plants to keep the cover and obviously carbon kind of going into the ground as much as possible, not leaving bare earth even with those cover plants. And then here's the woad that I cooked up today and blended as well, chopped up, masticated, and then this woad will eventually be strained and actually create hopefully some dye. Use some soda ash here to kind of release it as well, and hopefully it will crystallize, and have to filter it over the next few days, so that'll be another video. So beautiful day, very nice weather, very warm. Oh, it's nice to be outside. Anyway, have you stayed at the house? Bye.